Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a redecorating my room, which is really freaking exciting because I swear I've been waiting to redecorate my room for the longest time. I am actually leaving for college next year and I'm planning to stay in the dorms, which is why it kind of sucks that I'm just now redecorating my room. I feel so damn bored of like the same old. It is my senior year and I really want a change. My whole like theme or color scheme of my room has literally been the same since I was like in 4th grade. It's always just been like purples and blues and pinks, I guess. I have gotten a few things already. Oh! And then I have this stuff right over here. Oh frick. I also got some stuff in this little basket right here too. I'm really excited to start decorating. It's literally about time. So if you are excited to watch this video, then keep watching.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. La, 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 la.
Okay peeps, so this is the hard part now because I don't know where to freaking start. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with this wall right over here that you see. Oh my gosh, and I really like this whole area right here, and I would much rather it be on this wall. I'm just gonna start taking the stuff down. Let's play some music. The wall is empty. Polaroid wall for now is done, so I did my wall. I'm not tall enough. I got it. That's so pretty. Look how cute. He's so cute. And this is my bed, people. Some white bedding, which very risky considering I have bunnies. My bed is done. I don't know. I can't take it off. Oh my gosh, I literally can't take this off. There. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my Mikkel.
What happened? What?
Oh my gosh. Guys. You have to be kidding me. It's so, it's so sad. Oh, and, oh, I look crazy, damn. Get out, get out. Where are my scissors? Through like my memory boxes, and look at these damn pictures of me. I was freaking sassy. Look at my damn face. Nope. This one's cute. I swear, I thought I was so grown. is crazy. And just like that, I am finally done redecorating my room. I'm really excited. It did take me a couple of days, but I hope you guys like it. My favorite part is probably my like bed area, and then that little Polaroid wall and my little like mirror area as well. It's really nice that you guys can see all of that in this frame. I absolutely love it. If you want like a more in-depth room tour, I would totally be down to making that video, so let me know. And even if no one wants to see it, I probably will make it anyways, so look forward to that. I'm really happy with how my room turned out. I really think it's like more of my style. My last color scheme was so dull, especially my little sunflowers over there. I think it just brings a little bit of extra happiness to my life, and so your girl needed that. I hope you guys like my new room, and I'm so excited to be making way more videos in it. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to reach for the sky. Peace.